In this video, how to fix this error when unmounting a mounted Windows WIM file. First, get the mounted image information. As you can see, the status is invalid. If you try to unmount the image with the commit switch, you will encounter another error. To fix this, use the discard switch instead of the commit switch. As you can see, the image has been unmounted successfully. You can now try to mount the image again. As you can see, the status is okay now. After customizing the image, you can unmount and commit the changes without any issue. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.